Welcome to Tuff. Let's take a look at the features and the uniqueness of the Tuff Onyx HD7000 punch. You can punch a great many books without fear with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. Everything you need comes right inside the box, and the Onyx HD7000 has the capability to add more to it. One great feature is the interchangeable die system for all the Onyx punch series. Sliding in and out right here on the side in seconds, there are over 20 different interchangeable dies created for this machine. So whatever your needs are, comb, wire loop, plastic coils, velobine, 3-hole loose leaf, your needs will be met by this machine. This kind of on-the-spot flexibility is outstanding for a machine of this caliber. On the front of the machine is a great paper stop. It's heavy duty and holds things in place so that all pages are consistently punched throughout your entire project. The Onyx HD7000 comes with a standard foot pedal, but you could also add the palm switch. It goes in the same place in the back of the machine and attaches right here on the top. When it comes to the actual punching, the machine is fast and solid. It can punch up to 40 sheets or 80 pages of 20-pound paper. And Tuff's patented auto-reverse feature is at play all the time. While you punch, there is an overload detection feature that triggers an auto-reversing function of the pin and the machine itself to reduce jamming in the punch. And finally, there's a large, easy-view chip tray. If you want confidence in excellent punching, the Onyx HD7000 is a great bet. The Tuff Onyx series.